So this footage has been going rounds on Twitter, and some people in the comment section, if you go to Twitter, you'll see some people claiming that these are actually synthetic partners being developed by ExRobots in China. So what that means is they're developing robots that you can be able to marry or to stay with. Instead of having your biological partner, you can choose to have a synthetic partner, which would be also quite amazing maybe. Now, so this is actually from ExRobots, a company from China, and they've been in existence since 2016. And what they're doing here is, you can see they have this kind of robots which they have made the skin to look more realistic, and in many cases this is actually animatronics. And you can see that different companies like Unity from China, we have Unity, we have Kepler, there are many more. And the type, even Astrobot, which released a robot recently, the type of humanoid robots they release, they look very different from what ExRobots releases.